How to remove Kia Rio side mirror cover full guide. Most people get this wrong, but removing a Kia Rio side mirror cover is simpler than it looks. You won't believe how quickly you can access the mirror assembly for repair or replacement. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the ignition is off. Lower the side mirror completely to give yourself better access to the cover edges. Next, gently pry off the mirror cover using a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to prevent scratching. Start at the bottom edge and carefully work around the sides. Most covers are held in place with clips, so avoid excessive force. Once the clips release, the cover should come off smoothly. Inspect it for broken clips or damage. If you're replacing the cover, ensure the new part matches the model year and color. To reinstall, align the cover with the mirror housing and press it firmly until all clips snap into place. Double check that it's secure by gently pulling on the edges. A properly installed cover should sit flush without gaps. Finally, test the mirror movement to ensure nothing interferes with the assembly. Replacing or removing the side mirror cover can also make it easier to clean or access the turn signal if equipped. In conclusion, removing a Kia Rio side mirror cover involves lowering the mirror, carefully prying the cover off, checking for damage, and snapping it back in place. With these steps, you can safely handle mirror maintenance without professional help.